And hide our LinkedIn connections. If you want to hide your connections, you don't want to see people to see who is connected to your profile, this video is for you. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So step number one, we're going to click on the top right-hand side here in our profile icon, and we're going to navigate to settings and privacy. Once we come here, we're going to select visibility from the left-hand side, and we are going to scroll down, and we are going to see basically here this option, who can see your connections. So you're going to click on this option, and simply you are going to turn this off. The steps are exactly the same on mobile devices. So even if you are on mobile device, again, you're going to click on your profile, you're going to go to settings, then you're going to go to visibility, then you're going to find this option, who can see your connections, you're going to click on it, and you are going to turn this off, and that's how you can hide your connections on LinkedIn. That's all for today. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone. Bye everyone.